Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here guys, please subscribe to my channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you guys. Thank you for your support. Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to mine Bitcoin Satoshi guys. The app is called Bitmine, as you can see here on top. Welcome to Bitmine. As you can see, my balance is 1.484 Satoshi. As you can see guys, I've already started my mining. Every 12 hours guys, you have to tap the mining button to mine your Satoshis. Let's go here to invites. Sorry. Okay, continue. Invites close. Okay. And as you can see guys, my team here. Only one person. Okay, let's go here. Okay. Bit mining history. As you can see guys, my bit mining history here. Let's go back. Okay, now guys, here you can invite your friends guys, and you and your friends, you will get 300 Satoshi, both of you 300 Satoshi, if they use your referral code or your link to join this app. Now let's go to withdrawal. Oh, and also guys, you can follow them on Telegram for more info or updates. Okay, let's go to withdrawal. As you can see guys, their minimum is 25,000 Satoshi, and they are accepting Binance, Tron24, Coinbase. I guess maybe they try to say Coinbase. Okay, let's say Coinbase. Trust Wallet, obvious. Konami, Indodex Wallet. Okay. Withdraw will be enabled when you fully finish the loser guys. The requirements here, as you can see guys, their requirements is we have to complete 60 times successful mining to be eligible to withdraw your Satoshis. As you can see guys, I have 1 out of 60. As you can see here, 1 out of 60 guys. I have to complete 60 times mining to be able to withdraw my Satoshi. 60 times. Okay guys, don't forget guys to subscribe, like and share with your friends guys. Okay, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now, when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I.